Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this tutorial video guys, we will create add and even numbers using ng-init in AngularJS. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, leaving a comment and suggestion. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. We have here a machine problem. Write a program that using ng-init, okay, directive that will check if the given number is an even or odd number and display the result on the screen. First and foremost, when we are writing an AngularJS program in our local machine, particularly we are not connected to the internet, make sure that the library file Angular, that means this one, is there, located in your folder, or else it will create an error. So we have here a series of comments, and then we have here HTML head title, add an even number using ng-init in AngularJS style. We have here a very simple CSS or cascading style sheet, body, font family Arial, font style bold, font size 18, and then we have here the title, add even number using ng-init in AngularJS, Angular module app, filter check number function, return function. So here we have here a simple if else statement. If given number modulus 2 equals 0, it means that the given number does not have any decimal value. Okay, so it will become an even number if it is true. Else if it is false, it becomes an odd number, and then we have a return statement that will return the result, and then we close. And then here in ng-init we put a value of 4 here, and then we have here a filter to display the result, given underscore number, filter check underscore number, and then we close the body of our program here. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code. Let us run our code. So we have here already running, so we have here 4 even numbers. Now if I will change this value, instead of 4 we have 5, we are expecting the result will be odd number. We just refresh the browser. I'm using Mozilla Firefox in this example. So when I refresh the browser, add an even number using ng-init in AngularJS, the given number 5 is an odd number. Another example, when we change this to 12, we are expecting that the result will be even number when we refresh our browser. So we have here an even number also. Last example, let's say we have 13. We just refresh the browser here, add an even number using ng-init rather in AngularJS, the given number 13 is an odd number. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on add and even numbers using ng-init in AngularJS. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. See you in the next video tutorial guys. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you until then. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.